Program about making your life even better with Joanna Canals and Paula Haddock.
Thanks so much for watching Colorado's Best. I'm Joanna Canals.
And I'm Paula Haddock.
If you suffer from peripheral neuropathy, there are cutting-edge treatments that can help you live your life pain-free.
That's right. Joining us today, we have Dr. Dan Wallis, DC, founder of Elevate Neuropathy in Fort Collins. Thanks so much for driving here from Fort Collins to Denver.
Thank you guys for having me.
It's great to have you here. Yeah. Absolutely. So let's talk, just right out of the gates, let's talk about peripheral neuropathy and explain what that is.
Yeah, well, peripheral neuropathy is a progressive condition characterized by damage to the nerves, typically associated in the feet, lower legs, and the hands. Some of the causes that a lot of people are used to are things like diabetes or even chemotherapy or environmental concerns. Environmental toxins is a big one that I think a lot of people miss. It can be even autoimmune conditions that can create a severe problem for a lot of people.
So let's go over the symptoms, for people who don't know what the symptoms are or if they're going through them.
Yeah, so typically it's going to be things like numbness and tingling. That's what I hear from most of my patients, but it can also be a burning leg pain. Or I hear patients say, Doc, I have an electric shock type pain in my feet and up through my legs. I have patients recently tell me, Doc, I feel like I'm walking on marbles or that I am stepping on a bag of marshmallows. And some of the symptoms can even include weakness or balance or coordination issues, which really present a significant fall risk for many patients in this category.
Certainly. So how is it typically treated?
Typically, what I hear from most of my patients is doctors will tell them, there's nothing that can be done about this. You're going to have to just learn to get used to it. And they'll use antiquated treatments, such as medications typically, Cymbalta, gabapentin, Neurontin, Lyrica. These medications are really just designed to mask the pain and not actually fix the problem. And at Elevate, the main thing that we've always focused on is no drugs and no surgery. And so in these treatments, there's no medications and there's no painful injections for our patients. We want to really focus on restoring the blood flow, restoring the arteries that have had a problem, and regenerating those nerves so that we can effectively reverse the neuropathy for our patients rather than just masking it.
And you have an offer for our viewers today, a $49 neuropathy special. Tell us about this.
Yeah, so what that does, it allows us a personalized consultation. We're going to do a complete examination and evaluation, and I'm going to give the patients a full report of all the findings so they know exactly what to expect and how we can help them.
So you believe this is really a very comprehensive kind of plan here?
That's correct, and we found that the more individualized we can be with each person, to find out what their unique needs are, it helps us to lay out a treatment protocol that can help them get well naturally without drugs and without surgery.
I think a lot of people are looking for that right now.
Yeah.
So we understand that Elevate Neuropathy is one of the top physicians groups in Fort Collins, but is neuropathy the only thing that you treat?
Yeah, it's a great question. And for years we've been helping patients of all ages really optimize their health and their quality of life without drugs, without surgery, whether it's back pain, neck pain, headaches, migraines, even just issues in school for kids, all kinds of different things. We want to help their bodies adapt to stress better and help their bodies heal naturally, without drugs and without surgery, and that's what we've been doing for a long time.
Wow. And we've got a little bit of time, and this is your first time to be on Colorado's Best, but you brought your whole family into the studio.
Yes,
I don't know if you heard the little baby, but you've got a 3-year-old and the little one, your daughters, right?
Yeah. One of the best things about my life is being a dad. I love my baby girls, and my wife's here in studio today. So
just a beautiful family, and we
Thank
love
you so
having
much.
them behind the scenes here. They're just
I know.
right
I wish
there.
we could show a shot because your girls
thank
are
you.
just beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
And as we end, I love the fact that you are a wellness type treatment center. Tell us how you help people. I'm sure that they are so grateful.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing that we've found is that if I can help even just empower people in the truth that the body's made to heal, it really is. And so if we can just set it up in a position where it can heal itself the way it's designed to. That's how we've seen patients all the way from the south, from Colorado Springs, come up and see us, and north up into Cheyenne and Laramie come down. People want a solution that says, hey, my body's made well. It's designed to be well, and it can heal. And I don't have to, be so disempowered.
Yeah, people will come from far and wide to get the help they need.
I love that. I love that.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah, if you or someone you know suffers from neuropathy, call the number here on your screen. Call now for your $49 neuropathy special. And remember, it's for the first 25 callers. And here's the number to call. It's 970 316-0785. Elevate Neuropathy is located at 901 East Harmony Road in Fort Collins. They accept Medicare and most health insurance. Once again, for more information, visit elevateneuropathy.com.
Coming up next on Colorado's Best